Hi everyone, so the website I'm reviewing is Diigo. It's an online annotation website. You can create a free account or a free teacher account. If you want to use this in the classroom, the teacher account is the one that you should get. It has limited features, but it still has all the basic things and it's pretty cool. Other than that, free plan, you can get the standard plan, which is $40 a year, and that just kind of has some unlimited storage features. The upgraded $60 professional plan offers a few more storage features, and then the $10 a month business plan offers a lot more features. But if you want to use this in the classroom and you want to be code book compliant, you want to have the teacher version. With that one, you can add students to your classroom, and students can only communicate with the teacher and other students in their class. They can't talk to other people with an account, only the people in the class. And Diigo only asks for an email, and you can't access the profiles of students if you just search on the internet or search on a website. The teacher and other students in the class can access that profile. So it protects the privacy pretty well. So how Diigo works is I have gone on to the National Archives and I found a primary source, George Washington's farewell address. And you can just, while you're reading, highlight text. You can highlight it, add a sticky note, and you can even search Google. So I could write a question here, save it, and then this will save to my library on Diigo. Here you can see the transcript of President George Washington's farewell address. It has the website that I found this on, and it has all of the highlights and sticky notes that I've made. It allows you to be organized by changing the color of your notes and highlights. So maybe if you could do a question in yellow, but some kind of note in blue. So it really makes organization easy, and it's really good if you're looking at primary sources like I would be as a history teacher. So Diigo is a really cool website to use in the classroom for research and that kind of thing.